We'll guide you through how to fix the Discord microphone not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Discord, so it's an annoying problem when your mic is not working because you're then unable to go and talk to people, so we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make these full guides to the different things you can try doing, as it's important you try them all. So to get started, make sure your mic is not muted. It may seem obvious, but come to the bottom left here. If your mic is red with a line through it and it says unmute, click on it to unmute it. Go and see if that solves it. Also go and look physically on your mic because some mics are going to go and have a mute button on it. Some you need to go and maybe slide across, or some you literally just tap. So make sure it's not muted. Next, I just recommend you try talking to different people in case one person has a problem with their output sound, because it could be a problem with the person you're talking to if it's just one. So make sure you have tried it with other people and that it's definitely not working. Next, you want to come to user settings in the bottom left, come over to the left, and you want to go and scroll down until you go and find the voice and video in-app settings. So in microphone here, you want to go and click on your mic and make sure you've got the correct one selected. That's really important. Often the Windows default one may be incorrect, so make sure you go and select the mic specifically itself and that you go and turn the volume up. If it's set all the way down, that can be why it's not working. You can try doing a mic test here as well. If you find your mic isn't showing up here, keep watching. We'll cover that in a moment. What you can then do is scroll down and you want to go and you can select input profile to be custom, and you can go and set the automatic adjust to be switched on. Noise suppression, you can try turning that off for now. And then after you see if that solves it, if it still doesn't, we're going to shortly come down and at the end, we'll try doing a reset. But we'll go and save that for in a moment. Next, you want to come to your Windows settings. You can go and open your sound settings by right-clicking on it, and you can press sound settings. Now in here, let me just go and make this bigger and we can go and zoom in. What you then want to do is you want to come down to input. If you find the mic isn't showing up, we'll cover that in a moment, but come down to volume, make sure it's increased here and that it's not muted. So unmute it and increase it. If you find that it's missing from this list, what you want to try doing is coming to more sound settings at the bottom. You can then come into recording and you can go and right click, make sure you select show disabled devices. If you find it's been disabled, what you then need to do is go and right click on it and enable it. And it should then show up in the list and in Discord. Go and see if you can now select it. If you still can't, come to the bottom and you can do the reset. So press reset and confirm your decision. Wait for Discord to go and restart and return to those sound settings again. Make sure you go and select your correct microphone just here, and then hopefully now it's going to be working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.